Good morning, cherry tree. Good morning, Miss Stevenson. Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to see everyone on this lovely Monday morning, and we've got some fantastic maths to be getting on with. I'm sitting here with Listening Bear. How are you today, Listening Bear? Are you well? I love maths too. Oh, please don't lick in my ear. Goodness me. Yes, I think we should start. So as ever, we're going to start with some counting. So here we've got a new number line. This is a number line with some Numicon pictures on to help. Can you see how the numbers get bigger and bigger? That is what happens as numbers go up. So here we've got 30. Gosh, look at all those tens. Wow, and here we've got 29. Oh, I see. Let's go down here a bit. Let's look at the number 15 a little bit. Here's the number 15. How many tens is there in 15? That's right, there's 1 10 in 15. And how many ones? 5. Let's have a look at the number 17. Here's 17. Remember teen, not tea, we're not having cups of tea. Here's 17. I can see that it's got 1 10 and the pink Numicon is 7. That's right, so 7 ones. Let's do some counting. So, as always, we start at 0. 0, why is there a star there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another star, how interesting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, with another star. I wonder what these stars mean. I wonder if anyone's got any ideas. 21, oh look, now there's 2 10s. That's what happened at 20. There was 1 10, now there's another 10. So there's 2 10s in 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 with 3 10s in. We're going to have a think more about the patterns that we can see in a little while, but let's first of all have a think about these stars. Why do you think there's stars around these numbers? So let's have a look. There's a star on 0, then there's a star on 10, then there's a star on 20, then there's a star on 30. They're counting up in tens. 0, 10, 20, 30. Oh, look, just like our 100 square was. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and we are having a cup of tea now. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. We'll stop there. Really good job, everybody. Fantastic counting. Now, today, we're going to be using this vocabulary, which is add, count on. So we're counting on today to add, and I'm going to show you how to do that. More than, because when we're adding, numbers get bigger unless we're adding 0. Equals, balance, and biggest number. So we're going to be adding up today. Can everyone say add? And numbers, when we add, get bigger. Can everyone say bigger? Bigger. Absolutely, that's what we want to happen. So let's have a look at what's under here. I've got my first adding sum. I've got 7 add 2. Now, if you're still someone who is learning how to read their numbers, I think we're pretty much nailed that now. But don't worry, because I've got an activity which will help you. So here we go, 7 add 2. So I wonder how I could do that. I've got a number line in front of me. I can count on to add. Let's find the number 7. What's that song say again? 7 is pink. That's right. Here's mum 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need to count on to add. So I'm going to add 2. Watch me do it. Here's my 7. 1, 2. So my answer is 9. Fantastic. Remember, when I was 6, would I have been able to do these? No, I didn't know my numbers yet. Does it mean I wasn't clever? No, I was just still learning. Now we've got 6, add 3. Let's find the 6. There it is. 6 is light blue. Let's look at that song as well. 6, I need to add 3. 1, 2, 3. That gets us to 9. So the answer is 9 again. Same answer. That's the same whole. How interesting. Oh, now the numbers are getting a bit bigger now. Let's see if I can find 15. Can you see 15? 10 to 5, 15. There we go. That's the number we talked about earlier. Let's add 2. Ready? 1, 2. And what's the answer? 17. Good job, everybody. And last one. Woof, bigger now. 21, add 3. Okay, I need to find 21. Can you see if you can spot 21? There it is. It's one more than 20, isn't it? It's 2 10s for 20 and then one little one. Let's add 3 then. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hang on a minute. Did I count on properly? No, that's not right. Let me try again. I'm going to count on 3. 1, 2, 3. Did I do that right? I have to remember when I'm adding using this method, I have to jump straight on. I'm not jumping up and down on the spot. Now, if we were in class, I would get you to do that right now, but let's concentrate. Here's my 21. We're going to count on 3. So you go 1. Oh, good, I counted on. 2, 3. And the answer is 24. Ha! And I know that must be right because 1 add 3 equals 4. Huh. It's just we've got an extra 20 there. Okay, let's move on. This is the blue level of challenge today. We're going to, as I said, add by counting on. The blue level of challenge today, we're going to count on from the number to find the total. And I've given you some of these pictures to help you. You've also got your number line here to help you. When we get onto the red level, you're going to identify. That means you're going to figure out, you're going to choose and work out which is the biggest number to count on from to add. Then we've got some challenge, which is spotting a mistake. Okay, let's start with this one. I have got lots of squares here with lots of red dots. Let's just see how many are in that to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 frame. We've used those before. So it's a 10 frame. Okay, I can do this. So 10. Oh, is it going to be really annoying? Come up white. Yes, it is. Honestly, feel free to say, poor Miss Stevenson. Technology will not thwart me, children. 10. And I'm going to add on. Adding on 3. So 10, 11, 12, 13 equals 13. Let's see if I can do this. Added 3, which means it equals 13. 10 add 3 equals, oh, doesn't equal that, equals 13. Fantastic. Let's do the next one. How many are here to start with? What are we adding? Oh, I already know. That's a 10 frame and it's full, which means I already know we're starting off with 10. Fantastic. How many am I adding this time? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm adding 4 this time. So I need to add together 10 and, oopsie, that's not helpful. 10 and 4. So we've got 10. I'm going to count on from 10. That's what we're doing today. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. That's right, the answer is 14 this time. So I can write that in this box because it equals 14. 10 add 4 equals 14. Great, let's do the next one. So I've already got another 10 frames all filled up again. So I know that's still 10. Let's see how many we're adding on this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this time it's 10 add 6. Let's count on to add it up. 10 add 6. 10. I get that in my head. I know it's there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my answer is 16. So I'm going to write 16. Is that right? Silly Miss Stevenson, that says 60. We want to say 16. There it is there to help. Oh, silly me. 16. Okay, that's the blue and the purple level of challenge. You're going to be reading the numbers to find out what you need to add, and you're going to count on from the number to find the total. And here is your work today. You've got 3 questions on this piece of paper, just like I did. Fill in the 10. How many are you adding? How many is it all together? Count on from 10. So here I know it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm not going to tell you the answer. And here's 10, 11, and here's 10, 11, 12. I'm going to stop. Don't want to give you lots of answers. And you've got this piece of work as well to do. If you are happy with that and you think that's a little bit, well, maybe I could push myself a bit more, and you know if you normally do kind of the red level, then this is the work for you. So here, what I've done is I've left space for you to draw out your own grids, just like I've done here, or you can just use the number line to help you. So if I was doing this, I would, let's see if I can do this quickly to show you. Let's see if this will work. It might be confusing, it might work. Let's see. Let's pretend I've drawn these out. Oh, I take it back. You can draw them out, or to make it life simpler for yourself, I think what you need to do is count on, like I did at the beginning of the lesson, using this number line. So here's 13 add 7. So here's my number line. Let's find 13, and we're going to count on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the answer? 20. Let's do the next one together. You can draw it out if you want to. You could draw 13 and then you could draw 7. That's absolutely fine. Here's 21. 21 add 8. Where's my 21? Here's my 21. Let's count on. 1, remember we're jumping on. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to stop there. You're going to go up to 8. Fantastic job. So you can draw out your numbers how you want to, or you can use the number line to help you count on. Whatever we're doing, we're counting on to add. Fantastic. Now, I've also done a bit of a challenge here for children who want to try orange, and that is, can you spot the mistake? So I have answered some of these questions correctly, and some of them I might have got wrong. Just like you do, tick or fix. Tick or fix. Can you tick or fix, like we do in class, tick or fix these? Is this correct? If it's not, can you prove it? I'm so excited. All my amazing mathematicians, I cannot wait to see the work you do today. Good job, everybody. See you later.